patterns. If you see men uses more touch, show dominance including pats, back snubs, and shoulder touches, that's showing of their love, how they care. And it's just simply about the dominance. It's more of how to show their love. May mga lalaki na they're not too vocal, but they're more of the actions. Kaya pag, alam yung tahimik lang yan, once na nagsabi niya na papakasalan ka, they will committed to that already. Except kung nagpakasal ka sa binata at hindi pa sawa sa pagkakabinata at mama's boy. Okay? Make sure na yung pangasawa niyo hindi ganon. Kung hindi pa man siyang ganon, ikaw yung magmamanage ng iyong family. Which is medyo challenging sa part niyo yun. Kasi ikaw yung magmamotivate sa kanya, ikaw yung mag-update sa kanya. Kailan mo titiisin yun? According to sa court natin, di ba yung maraming mga nagpa-file ng annulment, mas more yung babae. And within 5 years of marriage, below 25 years old, and mostly bakit babae? Kasi sa una pa lang, during the adjustment period, napapansin na parang walang direksyon ng napangasawa ko. So it's very important to know if your husband has the direction already, has already found his purpose. But if not, you'll be there to motivate, support, as long as you can, di ba? Mahirap kasi maghintay na abot ka ng 5 years, 10 years, tapos hindi pa rin nag-grow. So you need to help each other. Personal growth is very important. So pag kayong dalawa, dapat pantay pa din kayo. Example, mataas ng level ng husband mo.